Hi, I'm Paul with rackoutfitters.com. This is a fit for a 2015 through 2019 and possibly beyond Ford F150 crew cab with a 6.5 foot bed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule TracRac SR Cantilevered truck rack. This is a heavy duty truck rack with a 1,250 pound maximum carrying capacity. It's constructed of lightweight aluminum alloy to keep the payload to maximum. Included with the system are sideboard cleats for tying down material. So the key feature of this design is the aluminum track that runs along the length of the bed. This requires no drilling. It uses expansion wedges in the pockets, the post pockets that are at either end of the truck bed. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how smoothly the operation of this works. So once you've loosened the two turn knobs at the ends, you can simply push forward. And with little to no resistance, you can bring the rear bar forward to accommodate taller loads in the back of the truck. So this enables moving things that may need the height and your bar might get in your way. Also included with this system is the removable and adjustable load stops. So these load stops are die-cast aluminum with a tough powder coat finish. You can adjust those along the length of this 69.5 inch load bar. So I can pull this bar back into its maximum crossbar spacing, which is 6 feet. And then secure it down simply by tightening these knobs. And now it's ready for the payload. Towards the front here we have the cantilevered extension, which adds an additional 31.5 inches of support over the cab of the truck. Also here you have your load stops at the front. So all the fasteners are zinc or stainless steel, giving it long-term weather resistance and overall excellent durability. A tough powder coat finish is covering the entire silver rack system, and then the base rails are anodized aluminum. So this truck rack will provide years and years of heavy duty use. This product and the full line of Thule TracRac products are available through rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions. And thank you for watching.